Hello traders, hello traders. The title of this video is simple technical trading tips that open eyes. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do, especially in January or anytime, but most importantly in January, you want to do that. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the yearly chart and the previous year. So in this case, we are in 2019. This is the candlestick bar for 2019 because today is the 2nd of February 2019. So in January, most importantly, you go to the yearly chart, and the previous year, so will be 2018. So the year that has closed, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line. So you apply Fibonacci retracement to the range of the previous year. So 2018, you go now, so you apply, okay, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line. If you apply Fibonacci retracement to the whole range of last year, you will highlight also the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. All right? Very, very important. Whether you are day trading, swing trading, position trading, scalping, do that. Those are just simple preparation that anybody can do in 1 minute, very fast, 1 minute. If you do not have the yearly chart, use the quarterly chart. So for instance, somebody who does not got a yearly chart can go to the quarterly chart, all right? Go to the quarterly chart, and you will look for, all right, 4 quarters. So 4 quarters will form this 2018. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you select those 4 quarterly candlestick bar from the low to the high, and you do exactly the same thing. And you will say, Joe, I don't have the quarterly chart, I only have the monthly chart. Well, you can still highlight the yearly chart by going to the monthly chart, locating, okay, you see, here it is, you can see, beginning of 2018, is that the month of, you want to make sure month of January 2018, that's the one. And this is the ending here. So from that candlestick bar all the way to this one here, that's 1 year. So all you need to do, what is the highest point for those 12 candlestick bar? Is this one here. What is the lowest point for those 12 candlestick bar? Is this one here. So there is no excuse, all right, not to highlight the high, the low, and the median. You will say, Joe, last time I posted a video about the yearly chart, people were thinking that, oh, I don't have the yearly chart, I don't have the quarterly chart, I don't need that video. You can still use the quarterly chart and the yearly chart to find out a bit about the yearly chart. Can you do that? All right. So that's it. So first thing do, go to the yearly chart, all right, and do as I told you, all right. Next thing, so you want to trade in January, which is quite challenging. January to the 15th of February is quite challenging, whether you are trading stock, currencies, all right, instead of jumping into the water, trying to swim, okay, with force. All right, you don't have to swim with force, otherwise you get tired. And there are people, those who are professional swimmers will tell you, all right, they flow with the water. All right, they are flowing with the water. That's the easiest way. Instead of fighting against the wave, you flow with the waves. Yes or no? After you have done that on a yearly chart, enough of blah blah blah. If you want to start trading, all right, you want to start trading, you can just go to the daily chart. So you've done it, you see all the lines on the yearly chart, you can see them here. That's the high of 2018, that's the median line. Okay, that's the low there. I can use different color. I can change it now and say, all right, I want to know where is the high. I color it to red, the median line, all right, I color it into orange. All right, so I have a color coded key level to remind myself. So if, for instance, if I switch to any time frame, I see any of those lines, I know the meaning of them because they are color coded. All right, done. Good. On the daily chart, do me a favor. All right, draw the channel, draw trend lines, map out your daily chart before you even place the first trend. The reason why you are doing all those preparations, simple preparation at the beginning of the year, so that you may look for best trading opportunity on the edge. Look what's happened. You come on a daily chart, look at it. If you select this point here, look at this low here. By the way, the financial instrument that we are analyzing is Ulta Beauty Incorporated. So if you like the video, I would like you to stick up your beautiful thumbs as we are talking about Ultra Beauty. Stick up your beautiful thumb, please. All right. If you connect this low, okay, and that low there, that allow you to draw the first line. Okay. You see what's happening now? Going to color it in pink. All right. That's the first line. See that? Look, beginning of this year, look at this. 2019. Look at that. 2019. Can you see that? December 31st. Yes, that's it. And this is the first day of 2019. The price opened where? You see that connecting these 2 points? On the edge of that trend line. Can you believe that? Why it did? It just went up the whole day. So you saw that day, it opened there on the edge of that trend line. If you go, for instance, to the hourly time frame, that time, or a lower time frame, probably you will see a bullish trend set up. And in the whole day went up. So the first day, this is nice scenario here. It went up. Second day, it retested. That's why we say to trader beginning of the year, wait. Sometimes you see January may go up, and then February pull back up to the 15th of February, it pull back a bit, and then up. Those who understand the earlier wave theory, first wave, second wave, and then you catch the biggest portion. Sometimes this is exactly what's happening here on the edge of that line. Up first day, 1st of January. Here it is. Is that the 1st of January? No, this is the second because the market is not open on the 1st of January. 2nd of January, you see here? All right, 2nd of January. Next day, pull back, and then here it is, up. Again, pull back, then the moving average 100, all right, and then up. We are now on the edge there. So remember, so you draw that, you see, map on the chart, draw market pattern, draw the chart. So you connect these 2 points, just those 2 points here, you see. So what I did next, I select just this point here. And I draw another line that is parallel to the pink one. You see? That's it. And then again we draw a media line to that channel. And now you see, from the daily chart, we can do more things. So now, with that channel alone, I can trade perfectly on the edge. Where are we now? Here it is. So beginning of the year, when I boom, 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 look, you draw that line before the price reaches it. Yes or no? Because you just need these 2 points, you draw the first one, then you select this one and draw it. Why the price is stopping here? Because the market knew that there was a resistance here. Now, why that candlestick buy here? Now the daily chart try to pull back a bit because of that media line. That those pull back, they will not need to pull. They want orderly pull back to retest it, but it was quite bullish. And they went to there now. Next step, you see, you project it up, yes or no? Project it up the channel in the direction of the price. Okay, so when you measure the width of the channel, you project it out. That's what we call market geometry, and you just get everything ready before you even place your first trade. You can project it down again here, okay, and draw another line parallel to the end of it. You don't have enough room to do that yet. Right? And again, the first projection, we can again draw a media line and wait for our trading setup. So we do not trade blindly, but we keep our eyes wide open from the beginning of the year. Will you promise me that you can do that? Or you do not have to promise me anything. So this will conclude our discussion today about simple technical trading tips that open eyes. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your thumbs up, your beautiful thumbs up, because we are talking about Ultra Beauty Incorporated. Give us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. You think it's an essential tutorial that can help other technical traders. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. Sometimes I post video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 trainers talking about simple technical trading tips that open eyes. To learn more about technical trading, you may go to www.stochastic-banking.com, www.dayprotrader.com, www.24idiotwaves.com. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.